Hey guys, welcome back. One press, a handful of components, and a lamp that knows exactly when to turn off. Press a button, lamp turns on. Walk away, it shuts itself off, automatically. If you're new to electronics, don't stress. I'll walk you through every single step, nice and easy. Let's go. When you first connect the battery, nothing happens. Now, the moment you press that set button, 12 volts rushes in and slams straight into C2, our 1000 microfarad capacitor. It charges up almost instantly, full to the top. And that charged capacitor pushes voltage right into the base of Q3, our first NPN transistor. Q3 sees that voltage and switches on. Now here's where the chain reaction begins. Q3 turning on pulls the voltage at Q1's base low. And Q1 is a PNP transistor. And PNP transistors do something special. They turn on when their base goes low. So Q1 flips on, just like that. Q1 now pushes current down into the base of Q2, our relay driver transistor. Q2 turns on and drives current straight through the relay coil. Inside that relay, a magnetic field builds up, pulls down the armature, click, contacts close, and the lamp lights up.
But here's the real magic. What happens after you release the button? That's where C2 takes over. It's been sitting there fully charged, and now it slowly drains its energy through RV1, our 1 megaohm potentiometer. Turn the knob all the way down, drains in seconds. Turn it all the way up, stretches up to a full hour. The whole time C2 is draining, Q3 stays on, Q1 stays on, Q2 stays on, relay stays on, lamp stays on. And then the capacitor hits empty. Voltage drops below 0.6 volts at Q3's base, and Q3 shuts off. Q1 goes off, Q2 goes off, relay releases, lamp goes dark. Done. Press a button and the load shuts off automatically after a set time. That's exactly how your staircase light, bathroom fan, and car interior light all work. One simple circuit, solving real problems everywhere around you. Hope that made sense. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple circuit builds. See you in the next one.